Can you people stop this? Kosi this, Kosi that. Why do you want to bring that outcast, that Obanja into this palace again?
Nebulisa, that girl is not an Obanja. Yes, I've had testimonies of her healing powers. Father's health depends on that girl.
She's right, Nebulisa.
See, I've been sitting down here trying to coordinate a lot of things, okay? Father's travel plans, inclusive, right? I need some time to think, okay? I'm sure you're the one who's been talking to Mother about this whole Kosi thing. Let me tell you this. Kosi will not come back to this palace. Never. That's final.
Nebulisa.
Excuse me, Mom.
Nebulisa.
I told you he will never listen to you. You see it now? What are we going to do?
I've waited for a very long time. Oh my, I was busy inside. I came to beg you for something.
Okay, so what is it?
I want you to borrow me small money so I can go for antenatal. I need to take care of this baby.
It's going to be hard though. What about Onwoka? Why not ask him for money?
Onwoka? No. I don't want to ask him for anything, and I told you. I don't even want to see him again.
Why?
Besides, he's not even in the country. He traveled already.
See, I would have helped. But you see that my mom's business, I don't go to the shop again. That is the only place I used to get small money from. You get? I don't have any money, but you see, I promise you tomorrow. I'll give you money tomorrow. I promise you. Yes, come tomorrow, early morning. I'll give you.
No, I'll come very early.
And just tomorrow, okay?
So I don't worry.
No, I always.
Thank you.
Just take care of yourself.
I need to. I'm taking care of my baby.
Alright now, I need to go back to the house.
Darling. Tomorrow early morning, eh?
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
I'm not happy at all. If she has accepted this before, at least my mind will be at rest. Somebody did something for you. I went to thank her. She refused.
Mama.
I'm not happy.
Mama, you worry too much, yo. Mama, she said she did it out of her own will. She wasn't doing it to collect money from us. You should be happy, Mama. If it was that useless as them more, he would have asked us to sell our farmland. It's true. At the end of the day, he will not do it. Mama, you should be happy. At least when we get home now, you see something to eat.
It's true.
Kill the fowl. Eat it with this yam.
Hey. Thanks to the gods. Let's go, my daughter. At least we have something to eat. You know we have eaten fowl. Yes, no. Let's go. We're eating this life. Thank you.
And Nani, useless says more, as she said. See what this little girl has caused for me. She has made me lose respect in the hands of my subject. Kosi, because of you. Kosi, you have drawn a battle line.
I'm sure he's going to be fine. He's the king after all.
From what I heard, his sickness is getting worse. It is so serious. Oniye? Your Majesty.
I want to see Kosi. And you are in the best position to tell me where to find her because both of you are friends.
Yes, Your Majesty, we are friends, but I don't know where she stays or where she lives.
Are you trying to tell me that you have not seen her since she left this palace?
No, I've seen her. But we have a meeting point whenever we want to see each other.
Oh, really? Yes, Your Majesty. Then I would like you to take me to that meeting point because her presence is needed urgently in this palace. Take me right there.
It's not an easy journey. It's not an easy task. The road is so narrow. It's not an easy journey. It's not an easy task. The road is so narrow. You see, I say something new. You see, I say something new. Hear what God said about them, see them. You see, I say something.
The Queen, this is where we normally meet.
Here?
Yes.
You mean you don't know which direction she comes out from?
No, my Queen. This is just our meeting spot. How can you not know where your best friend lives?
Mother, I think we should look around. I'm sure she'll be living in one of all these houses.
Yes, my Queen.
What do we do now?
It's not an easy journey. It's not an easy task. The road is so narrow.
Greetings, Your Majesty.
Oh, greetings, my dear. We're looking for someone.
Yes, Kosi Sochukwu. She once told me she stays with her mother.
Oh, Kosi. Okay, come let me take you to their house.
Thank God, let's go. Thank you.
Their ears are open to hear what God said about them. See them.
Kosi! Mommy.
Oh, no, Nako.
Thank you.
Mama just came to see Kosi.
Kosi came.
Yes.
Wait, let me call her. Kosi! Kosi Sochukwu!
Mama!
Please come. Look at her.
Greetings, Your Majesty.
This is not the Kosi we're looking for.
I mean the tall, dark Kosi that is gifted.
We don't have somebody like that here.
This is the Kosi I know.
Okay, yeah.
Can't see your name. What your name is? What is going on?
Does it mean that no one knows where Kosi lives? Is she a ghost?
Mother, she's not a ghost. We just need to change our strategy. Omoka is not that too large that we can't find her.
Even if it should take me a year to search every family in this kingdom, I will do it. Son?
Hello.
You're back.
Yes, greetings. Father's travel documents are ready.
Good. So what next, son?
By the grace of God, he'll be leaving for India this weekend. Your documents are also here.
Okay, that's good.
Nebulisa, please, please, I want to have a word with you. Dibulisa, I still suggest that we look for Kosi. Let's look for this girl and invite her. Let's give her a try, please.
Well, I'll be in my room.
You can get everything you want. Thank God for that. But don't boast, brother. Even money, your wealth, don't boast one them. Because this life is not our own.
It's okay, it's okay. You're welcome. Yeah. Thank you very much. You're welcome.
Thank you, Princess.
You're welcome.
I'm really happy. Finally, your father will be flown abroad for medical treatment. I hope he recovers.
We pray so. This is really a trying times for us. It's just that my brother Nebulisa refused to reason with me. If you ask me, I mean, flying my father abroad is a total waste of resources.
What do you mean?
There's this girl. She used to work here as a maiden in the palace. Kosi. Honestly, if we can see this girl, my father would just be fine. My father will be alright.
Kosi?
Yes. Do you know her?
Kosi. Yes, of course I know her. She's pretty, tall, blessed with the gift of sight and healing.
Yes! Chidera, do you know Kosi? You know where she stays? Yes.
This place is so bushy. Are you sure we're on the right track?
Yes. This is the end of the road for car.
Hi.
We will trek from here.
She said trek.
And we better start now.
Really?
Here we are, my queen.
Poor?
Kosi.
Poor?
Kosi.
The battle has already begun.
Kosi, I'm sorry. I'm sorry for not believing your prediction earlier on. I wish I could turn the hand of the clock and do what I am supposed to do. I'm very sorry. I'm sorry. Oh?
My queen, you believed, that's why you're here. But the king will not make it if he leaves the shores of this land.
How did you know that he's traveling?
Take me to him.
Yes.
Mother, I'll be back.
Good day, Your Majesty.
It's not an easy journey. It's not an easy task. The rain is something.
This is the handwork of people who wants to take over the throne from this family.
Chimo. My daughter, please, can you tell me who the person is? I'm not asking for any other reason. It's just to know who they are so we know how to avoid them. Oh? Pico. Yes.
His face is not clear yet. But the king will be fine.
Our great seer. This life.
What's going on? You. How many times have I warned you not to come into this palace? My palace! Again! How many times?
Have you lost your senses? We all are here looking for a way to revive your father. She made the first prediction and now she's about to bring the solution and you want to throw her out? If she doesn't treat your father will be flown abroad. Enough, now leave that girl alone!
Seer, but don't leave us now. Don't leave us now. Please don't leave us now. Our great seer, please don't leave us now. Mama is crying, please don't leave us now. Our kingdom we miss you, please don't leave us now. Every man is crying, please don't leave us us now. Everybody's crying. Please don't leave us now. 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 Please don't
Ebere,
leave us now.
Mom,
why not go to your chambers and rest?
Mom, I didn't even know when I slept off here.
Where is your brother? He's not yet back, knowing fully how this house is.
Mom, I've not seen Nebulisa since he walked out on us.
The worst part is that his numbers are not even going.
Mom, stop. Nebulisa is old enough to take care of himself. Don't get yourself worked up. Mom, let me.
You are for peace. I will see it, but don't leave us now. Don't leave us now. Please don't leave us now. Our great Seer. Please don't leave us now. Mama is crying. Please don't leave us now.
What is ambulance doing there?
Well, father's flight is supposed to leave in 3 hours. The ambulance has a life support system fitted in it.
There will be no need for that, son.
Father, greetings. What?
Yes. And where have you been?
I spent the night at a friend's place.
How many times have I warned you against sleeping outside this palace? Huh? It is dangerous and evil out there.
You're right, Father. It will not happen again. But how come? You're up.
Miracle happens, son. And I am very happy to see my family once again. There is so much to do.
Kosi.
Your Majesty.
Oh no.
I was surprised. And at the same time happy when I was told that you have recovered consciousness. You wouldn't imagine how we kept vigil, hoping for your quick recovery.
Oh no. My recovery was made possible by Kosi. Her method of treatment is quite extraordinary. The moment she applied it on my body, I became well again. In fact, well is an understatement. I became young again.
Thank God.
Yes.
Indeed, it was miraculous. Kosi did well.
Yes.
Do you know at a point we were so scared that we were going to lose you?
May the gods forbid.
Not just the royalty, the kingdom.
The whole kingdom. Thank God.
Well, my queen, thank all of you for your unprecedented support. Now I want Kosi brought before my presence.
That will be done.
Let them bring her here so I can bless her.
But if Kosi comes, if Kosi speaks.
Welcome, my princess.
Oh, thank you so much, Kosi. How are you doing?
I'm fine.
I'll be doing great.
Yes.
Oh.
So, how's our king, your father?
He's doing very well.
Thank God.
He's feeling very strong.
Wow.
Yes. And guess what?
What?
He wants to see you. Yes, he requested for your presence. And not just you, your mother inclusive.
I'm sorry to disappoint you, my princess. I cannot come.
Why? You want to disobey the king? Why would you want to do that? He specifically asked to see you.
My princess, I have done my part. Please, allow me enjoy peace with my mother.
Kosi, come on. Don't talk like this. You cannot deny the king from seeing you. Don't deny him the opportunity to say thank you for what you did for him. Please.
Kosi, first and foremost, I want to thank you for everything you did to ensure that I bounced back to life. Sorry that I never acknowledged the great gift endowed in you.
Thank you, Your Majesty. But it's not by my power. I'm only a vessel that God has used to deliver you from the clutches of the enemies.
Wanda.
Your Majesty.
I was told that you live in a popular deserted hut in Obinago. Which kingdom are you from and why do you stay there?
Your Majesty, I am the only child of Chief Okando from Umuabaja Kingdom. When I grew up and asked after my mother, I was told that she died after giving birth to me. I was barely 15 when my father died. At the age of 17, my uncle, who raised me up, asked me to marry. I accepted because I have no option. I married a hunter called Onya from Omonda village, and we were so much in love with ourselves. We stayed for 15 years before I got pregnant. That was scary.
You should be alert at all times. Eh? Your husband is a cargo that conquers the lion in the forest. Eh? Why should you be afraid? Let me listen to my son. I'm sure he's a son like the father. Amen. He's kicking like a man child. Eh? Protect your mother. Don't allow her to be scared. Eh?
You're funny, eh? Kim, I don't know why. Since I became pregnant, every little thing scares me off. I wonder why it's like that.
Look, you should not fear anything. Not when you have a husband, courageous husband like myself. Look, fear not. And besides, God has given us everything. Protection, provision, security. Why should you fear? Eh?
I won't fear again. Let me finish packing this.
It's okay. Let me continue from where you stopped. Let me finish it. You can go home, eh?
Okay. Let me just go and sit somewhere and wait for you so we can go together.
You don't want to leave your husband's side, eh? Please just sit under the shade, eh? Let me show you why I'm the man. Obim! Obim! Gaba, gaba. Hey! Kosi, first and foremost, I want to thank you for everything you did to ensure that I bounced back to life. Sorry that I never acknowledged the great gift endowed in you.
Thank you, Your Majesty. But it's not by my power. I'm only a vessel that God has used to deliver you from the clutches of the enemies.
Wanda.
Your Majesty.
I was told that you live in a popular deserted hut in Obinago. Which kingdom are you from, and why do you stay there?
Your Majesty, I am the only child of Chief Okando from Umuabaja Kingdom. When I grew up and asked after my mother, I was told that she died after giving birth to me. I was barely 15 when my father died. At the age of 17, my uncle, who raised me up, asked me to marry. I accepted because I have no option. I married a hunter called Onya from Omonda village, and we were so much in love with ourselves. We stayed for 15 years before I got pregnant. That was scary.
You should be alert at all times. Eh? Your husband is a cargo that conquers the lion in the forest. Eh? Why should you be afraid? Let me listen to my son. I'm sure he's a son like the father. Amen. He's kicking like a man-child. Eh? Protect your mother. Don't allow her to be scared. Eh?
You're funny, eh? Kim, I don't know why. Since I became pregnant, every little thing scares me off. I wonder why it's like that.
Look, you should not fear anything. Not when you have a husband, courageous husband like myself. Look, fear not. And besides, God has given us everything. Protection, provision, security. Why should you fear? Eh?
I've had ya. I won't fear again. Let me finish packing this.
It's okay. Let me continue from where you stopped. Let me finish it. You can go home, eh?
Okay. Let me just go and sit somewhere and wait for you so we can go together.
You don't want to leave your husband's side, eh? Please just sit under the shade, eh? Let me show you why I'm the man. Obim! Obim! Gaba, gaba. Hey! Obim!
Good morning.
Good morning, my dear. Hey, you shouldn't have woken up this early, huh? shouldn't have woken up this early. I turned on the bed and didn't see you. Eh?
Okay.
Okay.
If I don't, who else will? I have to finish picking this thing so that I'll be able to go to market and sell it.
Hey.
You know, we don't have to depend on your traps alone for feeding.
Hey. Eh? I had a dream last night. I caught a very big antelope for you and my son.
Okay, you are always joking. You will not only catch an antelope, but a very big one. In short, Nenawa.
You always inspire me. You give me the boldness of a lion. I'll be back.
It's okay. I wish you luck, eh?
Today will be a good day.
Yes. One. Back.
Obim.
Any game?
It's as if the whole animal in the forest went for August meeting.
Game. Are you alright?
Headache. I'm dizzy.
Headache. You're running temperature.
My body's boiling.
When did it start?
In the forest.
Hold on. I'm coming. I'm coming. Eh? I'm coming.
Where are you going?
I'm coming. Hold on.
Chimo.
If you drink this thing now, you will be okay. Wait, hold on. Oh yeah, alright, drink small. Just let it enter your mouth. Wait, drink small. Drink again. Relax, Nkem. Hold on. Wait. Relax, eh? Relax. Nkem.
to my brother? What happened to him? Hey!
I don't know. No, he came back from hunting this morning. I complained of a headache and dizziness.
Hey!
I gave him some herbs. After drinking the herbs, he started vomiting blood.
My brother I saw in the morning, healthy and hearty, returned from hunting and died immediately after complaining of...
No.
Come on, headache and...
Not dead. Don't say that.
You killed my brother!
Okay.
What happened to my brother?
Nothing.
Hey!
Nkem, answer me. Nkem, talk to me.
You finally killed him.
It's me. My husband is not dead.
You killed my brother.
He's not dead. Nkem, talk to me.
Wando. Just tell me. You are a witch. Obi tara give me Wando. You don't want to mock a boy. You are a witch, a big witch. My question is Obi for hill. Hey! You always claim I am innocent. There is only one way for you to prove your innocence. You must drink the water used to wash his dead body. Bam!
Please, before you do anything, think about the safety of my unborn child. Honestly, I love my husband and
Love Mukwege! That's love Mukwege! Before you killed him, you didn't remember this pregnancy. It's a Imegu. Eh? It's a pregnancy Imegu. I want my brother not to marry you. But he was blinded by love. He told me I love you, I love him, I love her, I do this, I do that. Now you have killed him. You have killed my brother. And you felt I will fold my arms and watch you walk away freely. Not when he has a brother like me.
Uchendo, jide eba. Wando, you must drink the water to prove your innocence. Otherwise, aga m atọgbu gị, ntọgbuo gị, mgbuo gị, mpirisie gị, lie gị, chezie ihe ọ ga-awụ. Onwe ihe ga-emenu. Onwe ihe ga-emenu. Nothing will happen. Onwe ihe ga-emenu. Pakam, onwe ihe ga-emenu.
Ike obi gbuo nwanne m ka ama ka obi gbuo gị. Chedubu na onwe ihe ga-eme. Si na m ọkwuru.
Amadi ọha magbuo gị ebe ahụ. Ya magbuo gị.
I love you.
Onye ọjọọ. Onye ọjọọ ka ị bụ.
This life is too short to take everything serious. Your power lies in your belief, not in your size.
Take this and repeat after me. Let the spirit of my dead husband strike me dead if I am responsible for his death.
Let the spirit of my dead husband strike me dead if I am the one that killed him.
Now drink. Drink!
you will remain with his corpse for 24 hours. After which, when you come back here and discover you're still alive, it means you are free from every allegation tabled against you.
Hey, this is not fair. This is not fair.
Shut up
at
your
all.
mouth and do exactly what you were asked to do.
The people did not tell me that I'll have to be locked up with his dead body for 24 hours.
Of course you will. You need not to be scared with the dead body of a man whom you were once married to, if you are not the person that killed him. Okay, let's go.
Let's find our way out.
Uchendu, time has elapsed. I know by now she must have been dead. Free. Go in there and check. Give me a situation report. Right away.
I thought as much. You killed my brother. You killed my brother. You've gone. Who's in the one in the model? This is Jaranini.
This life is too short to take everything serious. Your power lies in your belief, not in your size.
Hey, get me chamaran ben abakawoke. Hey, get me man ben abakawoke.
Look at the witch there. See the witch. See the woman that killed our brother. Look at her. She killed our brother. Nkiru. Nkiru. Go in there. Hey. Don't go anywhere. Empty-handed she come. Empty-handed she will go. Take her to this place.
Oh yeah. I can't do one time. Oh yeah.
Go with them.
I can't do one.
Wait!
She's not coming back to this place again. Certainly now, she's not coming back. My daughter, wipe away your tears. This is not the end of the world. You know that?
Naid, it's me, oh. It's me that I did this to Naid.
These people, child, they are heartless. I thought that I had me. Despite my condition, if you see what they did to me, they threw me out of my husband's house. Chai. Chai.
It's okay.
The worst is, I have no place now to lay my head on. Nah.
Sit down. Olubehotwa. Nolani, sit down.
Please, can you allow me to stay in your place till I deliver my baby? Now I'm going to know in a passage about my chichi. Now I can't find a get with him. Please.
My daughter, my wife may not agree with the arrangement. Biko.
I understand. I understand. Nai, you are my last hope. I cannot go back to my people. They already rejected me when my parents died. You see the condition I'm into now. I cannot go back to my husband's house. Nai, there is something you may do. Please try and help me, Nai.
My daughter.
It's okay. For next we will manage a place at Obinago where we used to stay before the land dispute. I will repeat the place for you.
Nai, God bless you. God bless you. God will bless you, Nai. God will bless you. God will bless you for me.
It's okay.
I have no choice. I will go.
It's okay. It's okay.
Nai, God bless you.
It will be well. Just take heart.
That popular, deserted hut at Obinago has been our home. It has not been easy.
This is a sad story. So human beings could be this heartless?
To start with, you are not going back to that deserted hut again. Yes. Oh no.
Yes, Your Majesty.
I want you to ensure that Wando and her daughter are well settled. Wando, we will build you a house.
Your Majesty, thank you. Thank you, Your Majesty.
Kosi, you will be living with us here in the palace.
Oh, thank you, Your Majesty, thank you.
Where all your needs will be provided.
Hey, Your Majesty.
Wando, you and your daughter are now members of this royal family.
Your Majesty, hi, this is too much. Step on me. Hey, step on me. Match on me, Your Majesty.
It is well with you.
She's an angel, listen to her. A seer that sees tomorrow. She's an angel.
It is accomplished.
Wow, Kosi. What a transformation. You look so beautiful. Wow. I can't believe this is you.
Thank you. Thanks to you and the royal family for bringing so much relief to I and my mother. We are internally grateful.
Don't mention, my darling. Don't mention. We should be the one thanking you. I mean, you removed sorrow, pains out of this family. We are grateful. Now go ahead. Tell me, what does the future hold for me?
My princess, how many times will I tell you about your future? I have done that countlessly.
Kosi, I cannot get tired of that. So go ahead. Tell me. What happened?
I see a bright future ahead of you. A happy one at that. I see a husband.
Really?
Would you want me to go ahead and tell you how he looks like?
Yes, go ahead. Nebulisa is here. Nebulisa.
Good afternoon, my prince.
You're welcome.
How are you?
So, just go ahead.
Okay, okay.
My commissioner. My commissioner. Alright, I'm gonna leave then. Okay. What's going on? Tell me now, you sound like something is wrong. What's going on? Don't keep me in the dark. Move the suspense out of him. Tell me now. You want me to come to your office tomorrow? You won't tell me now. Don't make me panic. Commissioner Biko, is there any problem? Alright, fine, no problem. I'll be in your office tomorrow, okay? Yes, I'll be there.
This life is too short to take everything serious. Your power lies in your belief, not in yourself.
Mama!
Hi!
Mama, how are you?
I'm fine, and you?
I'm fine.
You look so beautiful.
Thank you, Mama.
The king and the queen, they are taking very good care of you.
Mama, thank you.
Is everything alright? Who owns this box?
Mama, it's for you. I got new clothes for you.
For me?
I want you to throw your old clothes away.
God, I thank you. God bless my daughter for me.
Yes.
All these clothes for me. Hey, God.
Mama, don't do this. Mama, don't do this.
It is written this year, and it must be accomplished this year.
My prince, I wish to speak to you.
Okay.
My prince, you have to be very careful. People are ganging up against you. You might not believe me, but I know what I saw.
Thank you.
He won't listen to me.
I know. You know he will never believe in prophecy.
But I know what I saw. Even if he doesn't acknowledge my visions, he should just be careful of his associates. That's all.
I believe you. I believe you. All we have to do now is to put him in prayers for God's protection. My brother is a very stubborn man. What is the name of this movie? Shut up! Come on.
Oh, Commissioner on the model. You know you're my good friend. You know, we work together. Huh? We align. Our spirits go together.
My brother, you know I called you. We just finished the executive council meeting. You know what? The governor just approved the Ampadam contract and it's worth 1.2 billion.
Wow.
And I will give you the contract if you play your game well.
Commissioner, I'm a man, you know me, eh? I'm gonna make a mark game in this town, Marcy.
I'm gonna pass the game to like I said.
I know where you're heading to, Commissioner. Get even early. You know what? To cut the long story short, I'll give you 10%.
Prince, you can do more than that 10%.
Commissioner, why you know? Eh? Who's going to name it? You contract. Commissioner, slow down. Okay, fine. 15%. That's 180 million naira. It's a lot of money.
Okay. You have the deal.
Thank you.
So you can come over tomorrow and sign the necessary documents for the contract.
Can't I sign today? There's no time.
No. The documents is still on the governor's table and my secretary went to collect it. So before she might have been back, it's close of work. I'm on way,
Commissioner. Nearly. I'm on way. Alright, no problem at all. So I'll leave. I'll be coming in tomorrow. Okay? After signing.
In my hand.
You can get everything you want. Thank God for that. But don't boast, brother. Even money, your wealth.
Jude, what a surprise. It has been a long time.
Thank you, Honorable Commissioner. May I sit down, please?
Oh, sure. You can have a seat. So, what brought you to my office?
I am here in respect of the dam project. I heard from a very reliable source that His Excellency the Governor has given his nod for its takeoff. And I am interested.
Well, you know how things are being done within the government circle. The contract has been given out to someone else. And it is Prince Nebolisa's company that was opportuned to have the contract.
Mr. Commissioner, I want that contract.
Didn't you hear what I said?
It doesn't make any difference. Wait for a minute. Mr. Commissioner, in there is the sum of 400 million naira in hard currency. I will get in touch. Nice doing business with you.
Hello? My prince. Please, I want to see you and it's urgent. Please. Okay, thank you. Thank you.
Kosi, this is your login details. Your username and password is there. You better pass your job.
I will. Thank you, my princess.
You're welcome.
Wow. The royal family has done a lot for me. I'm so grateful.
Welcome.
Although it's not necessary.
What do you mean is not necessary? Do you know what education is? Education takes you out there and make you meet great and mighty people. Education guarantees you a great future. So why would you say it's not necessary? And I am not the one that you should be thanking. You should go thank my father, the king. He's the one taking care of your education.
I will. Thank you, my princess. My mother's joy will know no bounds.
I know.
Thanks for putting joy on our faces.
I know.
Thank you.
Run along before the elders they come.
I'll go right away.
Oh, Kosi.
Jude was there.
Jude. I don't think I know anybody that goes by that name. Jude. Who is it?
Jude. Judex Nigeria Limited.
Oh, okay, Jude. Okay. Okay, why was he here and how does that concern me?
The dam project. It has been awarded to him.
The dam project has been given to Jude. Wonderful commissioner, come on now. If you want to joke, use something else to joke. No, they back here. Jude that cannot even feed himself. His company, Jude Tileti, company at final. Jude does not have the capacity to handle such a project. What are you saying?
You know I can't joke with a thing like this. Jude came here with 400 million naira.
Huh? Excuse me. Jude came here with 400 million naira. Wait, your commissioner. Is it Jude or Sakwe?
That same Jude you know.
Wait. Jude or Sakwe? Huh?
That's the Jude I'm talking about.
Brought 400 million naira to this place. How? You don't imagine it. His company go. How? The Jude I know can't even boast of up to 1 million naira in his account right now. How? Commissioner, please, do me a favor, huh? Don't do business with him yet. I'll be back. Oh, do this for me.
See you say something. Your ears are open to hear what God said about you. You see you say something. See you say something. But are you ready to accept it?
I've really missed you so much.
I've missed you too.
Look at you, looking how beautiful.
Thank you. But that was not fair. I mean, I was beginning to think that you've forgotten about me. No calls, no text messages. Why?
Baby, listen. I couldn't have possibly forgotten about you. I just wanted to take you by surprise.
Oh,
and that's what I've done.
But you know I don't like surprises. They give me crabs.
You begin to sound like a chicken right now.
So tell me, how was your trip?
It was fine. It was okay. Though hectic, but I mean, it was fine. By the way, your father, I was hoping to meet him at home. And the last time we spoke over the phone, he told me he was sick. How is he presently?
All that about his health is in the past now. My father, the king, is fine. He's doing
Good.
very well.
Very well. I was almost worried.
He went for a meeting actually.
Awesome.
Yeah.
Baby.
So,
what's going on? When are you coming with me to see my people? They are so eager to meet with you, baby. And you know what? My mother will not allow me a moment rest just because of you. She wants to see you at all costs. As a matter of fact, I am beginning to get afraid that one day she will lock me out, not allow me to come inside the house unless I bring you home.
that is so funny. Oh my gosh, you shouldn't do that. The thing is, I'm very occupied right now. Very occupied. I'm sorry about that. But we can, we can work something out next week. If that is fine by you.
Next week?
Yes.
Is that a promise?
Yes.
Is that a promise?
Yes.
Is that a promise?
Stop.
Kosi, what are you doing here?
The feeling of a mortal when the soul takes flight.
How do you mean?
Mama, I remember in the past when you used to cuddle me, shedding sorrowful tears, saying silent prayers to heaven, asking for mercy. I remember being in your warmth and feeling safe in your embrace.
Those lonely nights, I remember it as if it was yesterday.
Mama, I watched you sleep for a while. I felt happy that you had become one satisfied woman. My soul will soar and sing songs of happiness. Like it said, we will run and not grow weary. We will walk and never faint. My soul will know joy and my body committed to Mother Earth.
Kosi, what are you talking about?
Never mind, Mother. You will never understand. I'm exhausted. Let's sleep.
It's not an easy journey. It's not an easy task. The road is so narrow. It's not an easy journey. It's not an easy task. The road is so narrow.
Honorable Commissioner. I told you I'll come back. In here is 450 million naira. Huh? Yes. 450 cash. That idiot Jude or whatever he calls himself. Once he comes, give him back his money. 400 million. Huh? Then 50 million is for you. Yeah. So go and move back. Huh? Let me sign the documents. I don't have time.
Don't worry. The deal is yours.
Never. You can't have this contract, Nebolisa.
Yeah, Jude. Are you mad? Huh? Are you drunk? Who are you to stand before me and tell me what I can have and what I cannot have? Huh? Have you forgotten that I am the king of this game?
And I, Jude, the Mirina Mwego, Nkembo, Nanibu Nile, have spoken. You don't seem to realize the capacity of the man standing right before you.
Jude, in what capacity?
Go.
In what capacity, Jude?
Go.
Commissioner Biko, don't mind this monkey, please. Like I said, 450. Ibu Babuli. Okay, 450 million. Yeah? Give him back his 400 million. Take your 50. Let me sign the documents. I'm a very busy man. Huh?
Gentlemen, please, let's not attract people to us. Mr. Jude, you know that he came before you, and the game is first come, first serve.
Mr. Commissioner.
Mr. Jude.
Just 1 minute.
1 minute before he will go.
Commissioner Biko, oh, let me sign this thing. I don't have time. Just leave this idiot.
Let's give him 1 minute and know what he comes up with.
Mr. Commissioner, this is 300 million naira. Add it up to the initial 400 million.
Because this life is not our own.
Nebolisa, let's see who wins this contract.
Something.
Father, please. I need you to release some money to me.
Nebulisa, what do you need money for? You have already made huge withdrawals from the company's account. This type of huge movement of money will definitely attract the attention of the Financial Intelligence Unit.
Don't worry about that, Father. I always have all these things worked out. Huh? Don't bother yourself. Because I need that money, please. Huh? Can you imagine? Just before I signed that contract, one idiot came out from nowhere, played a fast one on me, offering 700 million naira for that contract. I'm telling you, 700 million naira. So I want to offer 850 million and shut him up completely, win the contract.
700 million naira.
Yes.
On a 1.2 billion naira contract.
That's why I want to give 850 million. Can make sure the whole deal completely.
What is the moral justification behind that sum? Can't you see this is no business?
Father, this is beyond business. Believe me, it's beyond business. What's it about business? This is about my ego now. This is somebody I taught. When did he even start business? No, Father, I can't take it. Our family has been doing business and doing contracts in this country for God knows how long. How can this guy just come from nowhere and outbid me? More balling now? No. I want to show him who I am, Father. He's playing in the pool of real men and I will drown him in that pool. That's why I need this money. So, Biko, Father, can I bring your checkbook now? Okay,
I understand you, son. I advise that you just forget him and just move on. Look forward to another rewarding contract. Son, you are a very hard-working man and I'm very proud of you. I advise you just ignore your rivalries and then concentrate on the future.
Nebulisa! Omupede.
But don't burst, brother. Even money, your wealth, don't burst one then, because this life is not our own.
Kosi, are you alright? I'm not. Please sit down. What is it?
It's urgent. Please, warn Prisoner Nebulisa not to leave this palace tomorrow.
Why?
Not just him. Everyone. Danger looms around this palace.
Not again. What are we going to do now?
It's simple. Everyone should remain in this palace. Nobody should step out. That's the only way you can be safe. No harm will come to you. Please, promise me you won't praise Nebulisa.
I'll talk to him. Where is Nebulisa, my brother?
Good morning, my princess. Sit down.
All right.
You can get everything you want. Thank God for that. But don't burst, brother. Even money, your wealth, don't burst one day.
Prince, it is important to answer our questions. Do you have any reason to suspect anybody who is after your life?
Well, I'm a very successful businessman. Also, the prince of this land. I'm bound to have enemies. There'll always be wicked people out there who hate me. But I can't really lay my finger on any of them.
Do you receive any strange call? Or did someone threaten your life before the attack?
Strange calls, no. Someone threatening my life.
It's alright. We'll take our leave. If we discover anything, you'll give us a call.
Alright. Thank you very much.
Thank you, and listen.
You see, I say something. You see, I say something. Your ears are open to hear what God said about you. You see, I say something. You see, I say something. But are you ready to safety? Whether good or bad.
Thank God you're safe. I don't know how this family would have coped if anything had happened to you.
Nothing will happen to me. And nothing can happen to me. You already know that. I know the person behind this attack. Yes. And I know exactly what to do to that person.
We mustn't let our guard down. You need to double your security details and watch the places you socialize. It is time to restrict the places you visit.
I'll do exactly that, Father. Like I said, I know what to do. Father, permit me to go back to Nigeria.
Your Highness, I'm worried about our son.
What are you worried about? He is man enough to take care of himself.
Madam,
How may I help you?
we are going on a very long journey.
Are you stupid?
Madam, relax. You do not need to draw unnecessary attention to yourself. Kodo, move on now.
Please.
My prince, what's going on here? Why are you holding me hostage?
That question should be directed to your husband. He made an attempt on my life. You know, this whole situation reminds me of school days. I wonder why your husband has forgotten that I was known as the king of the jungle.
But we've been friends for a very long time. Please, whatever the disagreements are, please sort it out diplomatically. I beg you.
We have gone past that stage, woman. Now I know you do not know your husband. The only thing that will make me release you is if your husband comes here and submits himself to me.
Okay, then. Let me call him. Please. Let me call him.
What a surprise. Nice hearing from you, boy.
Honey, it's me.
Shilagi Shilola. What in the hell's name are you doing without phone? Where is your phone?
This is not the bone of contention. You have to make peace with your friend. Please, sort this rift out. Please.
Jude, you have started a war that you cannot finish. You made an attempt on my life, Jude. I'm giving you 24 hours to come down here and submit yourself to me. And we can black it in half on. Else, I will shoot your wife in the head.
Piawokem. Nwa. Chofagiri sintutu unyem. If you dare hurt a single hair on her head, I will destroy you.
Shut up!
Let's go.
Yes, I know. So, like I was saying.
Yes, what is it? My king, the princess. She has just been kidnapped. Huh?
Kidnapped?
Yes. By who?
Father, he started the war. You know me, I'm not a coward. I cannot run because of my fellow man. I had to strike back.
Nebolisa, you amuse me. You think I'm still the same Jude you used to know in the past? Welcome. You didn't think
Where was it?
Mind your words.
Tell me, where was it for?
Silence. Both of you should not display your arrogance before me. I've known you to be very good friends. What has come over you?
Your Majesty, he stole my contract. As if that was not enough, he kidnapped my wife.
Father, he attacked me first. He made an attempt on my life.
I never attacked you. Maybe that is from people you wronged. Only I do me. Now one more here na Nigeria. Okukonwa and I be also. Your Majesty, Nebolisa wronged me. But making attempts on his life is never an option.
I want both of you to stop this war henceforth. Go and shake each other before my presence. Now.
Ebere, I hope they didn't hurt you.
I'm alright, Mom. I'm fine. It was just a horrible experience for me.
I know.
It's so good to see you, Ebere. I was very worried for you. Thank God you're here now. I'm sorry I couldn't warn you ahead of time.
It's okay. Don't blame yourself, Kosi. The important thing now is that I'm fine and I'm back home.
My son, I want to thank you very much for answering us immediately. Thank you for bringing her back home. Thank you so much.
You're welcome, my queen. But not to mention at all. Because I was even beginning to feel guilty for not being there when she needed me most. So this little that I've done is nothing, actually.
It's okay. All the same, thank you. And welcome back home, darling.
Madam, relax,
Please, my
relax
husband is dying. Please help me, please.
Your husband is dying. Take him to the health center. This is Igwe's palace.
Please, I need to see Kosi, please help me, please.
Relax. Just relax. Wait here. I will go inside and call you Kosi. Okay? I said relax. Do you want to come inside?
Mother, what's the problem?
Kosi, please.
Mother, please stand up. Don't do this. Stand up, please.
Please help me. My husband is dying, please.
Your husband will not die, God's willing. Please lock the gate. Madam, let's go.
Okay.
He is possessed. He has been possessed by your late father-in-law.
What is the solution?
The curse has to be broken. Where was he buried?
Who?
Your late father-in-law. Take me to his gravesite now. You spirit of evil possession! I beseech you to return to the abyss, your rightful abode, where you belong.
Your power lies in your belief, not in your size. But this is destiny, an angel from above. This is destiny, an angel from above. This is destiny, an angel from above. Kosi, so true. It is written.
So all the ladies were in the house that day, you know, and the queen was actually in the house. It was, it was so funny. Oh God, were you really there that day? Kosi. Kosi. What is it?
How would you feel if your brother proposes marriage to me?
Marriage? How? Is there something you're not telling me? Wait a minute. What did Nebulisa tell you?
He's been wanting to propose marriage to me, but his pride will not let him. You know, humility is not in his dictionary.
I see.
But this is destiny, an angel from above. This is destiny, an angel from above. This is destiny.
So if he finally proposes marriage to you, will you accept?
Time will tell.
Aha! I've been meaning to talk to you. Sit down. Sit down.
Okay.
You've been letting in strangers. You need to stop. Okay? You know the times we're in right now. You need to be very careful. You know, some people can disguise and come in here and harm someone in our palace. You need to be very careful. What is wrong with you? I'm telling you something serious. You're laughing.
Nebulisa, why are you desperate? Huh? Why are you just looking for where to vent your frustration?
Frustration? Frustration on what? What are you talking about?
Kosi, of course. I know you've been looking for space to show her your true feelings.
Ah. And where is this coming from? I'm telling you about securing this palace and talking about Kosi. Who's Kosi?
It's okay. I understand. It's alright. Nebulisa. Oh, God.
But if Kosi comes, if Kosi speaks, if Kosi comes.
My prince.
You are for peace.
I'm set.
Okay. Now, wait, please. Before we go, I'd like to say a few things. Okay?
Okay.
I want to apologize for the way I treated you in the past. You're a very nice person. You don't deserve the things I did to you. I took time to think about everything, how I chased you out of the palace. You really do not deserve it. I'm sorry.
It's okay.
I also want to thank you for healing my father. I don't know how you did it, but you did it, so you
God
deserve...
did it.
Okay. God did it through you.
Mm-hmm.
So, not through me. So I thank you.
It's okay.
Yeah. And then, last one before we go. I've actually taken time to assess you. Alright. Took time to study you. I've realized that you're a very good person. And these days, good women are hard to find. And good men are also hard to find. I know I'm one of them. I know what I'm about to say is quite sudden, but you just have to pardon me, okay? I'll just cut the long story short. Will you marry me?
No.
Kosi, you did wrong by turning down his proposal.
Mama, you will not understand. Prince Nebulisa is a good man. But being married to him is a different thing entirely.
You know he is the heir. And being married to him makes you the future queen of this kingdom.
There's more to life than being a queen. I wish you can understand.
Let me tell you what I think. The whole royal house loves you and see you as a daughter. Even the princess is very, very fond of you.
I know. I'm aware they love me from the depth of their hearts. But this is a lifetime commitment. But trust me, I don't think I want to go on with this.
Kosi, why are you doing this? Why? I thought you were in love with my brother Nebulisa. Everybody knows how emotional Nebulisa can be. My princess, I'm sorry.
I wish the both of you can understand why I cannot accept his proposal.
Why can't you accept it? Mom, can you please tell her to explain to us so that we can understand this sudden change? Nebulisa loves you. I have never seen Nebulisa react this way before.
My daughter, you are now part of this family. Why not just marry my son and save him from this heartbreak? Why can't you just do that?
Your Highness.
Yes.
It's difficult for me.
Tell me the truth. What is difficult? Is it accepting my son's proposal or accepting this family? Which one is it?
Nebulisa feels very bad right now. He's not happy.
My princess. My queen. Please, give me a little time to think about this. Everything seems to be happening so fast. Please.
It's okay, my dear. I understand exactly how you feel. Okay? We will give you time. Or should I say, we'll give you space. But have it right inside you that my son loves you. Okay? It's okay.
This life is too short to take everything serious. Your power lies in your belief, not in your size. But this is destiny, an angel from above. This is destiny, an angel from above. This is destiny, angel from above. Kosi, so true. It is written this year, and it must be accomplished this year. She's an angel, listen to her.
Sir. Sir. You asked me to bring this file.
Oh, okay. Drop it on the table. Then tell the finance manager to bring me the statement of accounts that he got from our banks. Huh? I need to go through everything before my meeting, which will hold in a few hours. Alright?
Okay, sir.
This just arrived earlier this morning. Yes.
They're nice.
Yes, they're very lovely, and we're going to use it with very beautiful beads.
Do you have friends that would like to wear this material? I mean, I want to make this occasion memorable for my kids.
Thank you, my queen. Just few friends will do.
Then you tell them to submit their measurements to the royal designer to make their clothes.
Yes, because all their shebis will be arranged later today. Yes. Now look at this one. My goodness, this color is beautiful. I like this color.
It's a big one.
Oh, Kosi, look at this. Kosi.
Kosi.
Kosi. Are you alright? What is it?
I'm fine. You people will not understand. I see the clothes, they are great. Thanks. But there's more to life than what meets the mortal eyes. Trust me, princess.
Kosi is your marriage, okay? So you have to be excited. Right? Look at this.
Wow. Hello, my darlings.
Welcome.
Thank you. My love. Okay, I've got wonderful news. The governor will be attending our wedding.
Wow.
And so many other dignitaries.
Wow.
Yes, this will feel
That's good. Very well.
But this is destiny, an angel from above. This is destiny, an angel from above. This is destiny, angel from above. Kosi, so true. It is written this year, and it must be accomplished the seer. She's an angel, listening to her.
Hey, Mama Terasi! Hey, Mama Terasi! Mama Terasi! Mama
Kosi, so true. It is written, this year, and it must be a compilation. This year, she's an angel, listening to her. A seer that sees tomorrow. She's an angel, listening to her. 'Cause dreams are forever. Imagination has no end. Kosi, so chubu, an angel. Kosi, so chubu, so chubu, an angel. Kosi, so chubu.
Kosi, we're not yet dressed. Nembikonu, come and start dressing.
Mama, I have something to tell you.
Can't it wait until you are dressed? We don't have time.
No, it can't. Mama, are you happy?
Why do you ask? Of course, I am very, very happy. And I will be happier when you are dressed. Remember, today is your happiest day. Hmm? Kosi, what happened? Why are you crying?
Mama, I have been thrown out of the palace. You need to see see how I was treated, Mama. The humiliation.
It's okay. It's okay, my daughter. It's okay. Get up. It's not the end of the world.
When I go to say something. Say something. It's not an easy journey. It's not an easy task. The road is so narrow. It's not an easy journey. It's not an easy task. The road is so narrow. Say something. Say something.
Jesus!
Kosi, what is it?
The prince.
Please be careful.
To start with, you are not going back to that deserted port again. Yes. Oh no.
Yes, Your Majesty.
I want you to ensure that Wando and her daughter are well settled. Wando, we will build you a house.
Your Majesty. Thank you, Your Majesty.
Kosi, you will be living with us here in the palace.
Thank you, Your Majesty, thank you.
Where all your needs will be provided.
Hey, Your Majesty!
Wando, you and your daughter are now members of this royal family.
Your Majesty! Hey, this is too much. Step on me. Hey, step on me. Match on me, Your Majesty.
It is well with you.
I'm glad you are happy. Thanks for bringing joy into my life. I am happy I was able to take you out of poverty. But it's time to go home.
My daughter, I don't understand what you're talking about. Where do you want to go?
I want to go home.
This is your home. You don't have any other home.
No. This is not my home. I have completed all I was sent here to do. I have no cause to remain here.
I bind you from saying those words. What is wrong with you, Kosi? What is wrong? Why are you saying all this?
Mama, please. This is destiny. And everything that is written must be accomplished.
We are done talking about this. Do you know what you have to do now? Just get up and get dressed.
But this is destiny, an angel from above. This is destiny, an angel from above. This is destiny, angel from above.
carry you go. I don't go do it. Come, let's go. Kosi! Oh my God! Kosi! Oh my God! Kosi! What happened? Was she sick? No! Kosi! Kosi! Oh my God! Kosi! Please, let's call the doctor. Kosi, please don't do this to your mother. Kosi, it's only me. It's only me. Don't do this to me.
You are for peace, our Seer, but don't leave us now. Don't leave us now. Please don't leave us now. Our great Seer, please don't leave us now. Mama is crying, please don't leave us now. Our kingdom will miss you, please don't leave us now. Everybody's crying, please don't leave us now. Everybody's crying. Please don't leave us now. 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 You can get everything you want. Thank God for that. But don't boast, brother. Even money, your wealth, don't boast one them, because this life is not our own. See them.
The Seer say something. The Seer say something.
Your ears are open to hear what God said about you.
The Seer say something. The Seer say something.
But are you ready to safety? Whether good or bad.
The Seer say something. The Seer say something.
It's not an easy journey. It's not an easy task. The road is so narrow. It's not an easy journey. It's not an easy task. The road is so narrow.
The Seer say something. The see I say something.